Poloprint Cloud. Registration and login. App can provide a model library and better operate the device. Please use the app to operate the 3D printer. Step 1. Download the app. Scan the QR code to download. You can also search for Poloprint Cloud in the App Store to download the app. Step 2. Sign in. Or sign up to your account. If you cannot receive the verification code, please contact our after-sales service to help you solve it. Step 3. Please agree to all permissions, otherwise you will not be able to use the app. Thanks for watching. If you encounter problems, please contact after-sales.